is our houseboat. Full to items, snacks for houseboat. So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malyala. You are watching NITW Lifestyle live from Alappuzha, Alleppey, whatever. So our vehicle just stopped here. Another 18 hours we'll be staying in this houseboat. Welcome drink, and here it starts. NITW Lifestyle and one more Sai Charan Malyala. So 3 channels, right? So these 2 are going to be there, and one more will be the chef. Total 3 persons are going to come with us, along with our 8 people. So total 11 people will be there in this boat, and we have booked 2 rooms. So we have option to book 2 rooms or 3 rooms. So we selected 2 rooms things, and so boat is started. Finally, crazy. So before the houseboat starts, we need to pay the full remaining amount. Then only the houseboat will start. So you can see that area. There are a lot of houseboats. I'll show you with the back. There are a lot of houseboats there. So I heard that almost like 3,000 to 3,500 houseboats are there in Alleppey. So let's see. We'll be traveling this way till 5 o'clock, and they will look it. Here we have a dining area, and we have upper deck here. I'll show you upper deck. Before that, I'll show you the rooms. Here we have 2 rooms. So this is one room, and here is a washing area, and this is the second room. Here we have the kitchen. भैया आपका नाम? मेरा नाम दीपक. Okay, Deepak will be our kitchen chef now today. Okay, we have a fridge here. So we have a fridge and the washing area. All those things, tires and all. So AC thing, everything is there here. So this is the back route. So let's go. So he's preparing our food here. On the way we bought these things like cool drinks. So now we'll keep this in the fridge. Bhaiya ye fridge mein dal sakte hain kya? So here we have some space. Let us put this here. Just keep the Pepsi here. So let's close this. It's preparing papad. Now let me just go to the upper deck. So this is the upper deck. These people already settled here. We have a sofa sitting here. Yes! So this is full of backwaters, and you can see almost like there are a lot of houseboats here. According to your group size, you can just book the houseboat. This is just a sightseeing boat, I guess. Small one. And this is also sightseeing boat. Hey, I'm RTC bus laanti vachra adi. Bus meedi company iska vettindi. So there are some resorts here like the Little Paradise Resort, rooms, boating, barbecue, restaurant. So like crazy actually. Each and every place is like looking beautiful. I just kept other mobile charging, so now I am using one more mobile. So let's see how our lunch preparations are going on. So this is fish fry. So here it is special, it seems. So we are trying that. So sambar, okay. Curd salad. Curd. This is veg curry and this is fish fry, rice here. This is a normal rice. Good thing is that. And one more curry, sambar there, salad, curd.
Nice food here.
Deep manchi pattuvatela unnadu. I mean no.
Hi.
So just completed having our lunch here, so it was totally satisfied. Fish fry is really good, and we are now presently in the biggest lake in Kerala, second biggest in India. This is the second biggest lake after Chilka Lake. So it is like huge, and there are a lot of houseboats here and there, and I'll try to sit there for some 1 minute, at least 1 minute, and take some video. And there are a lot of websites where you can book the houseboat stay. So there is one so this particular boat belongs to Relax in Kerala, but we booked the same boat from boat stay Kerala. Kerala boat stay. So there are a lot of websites. So according to your group size, whoever gives you the best deal, just go with that. I mean, according to your group, either 2 rooms or 3 rooms, how many members, so what are the facilities you need. According to that, you just talk with few members, compare, and finally just book the one which in which you are going to get the best deal. I mean, in the less price. So that's what you can do. And yeah, now I'll show you the quick around view of this particular lake, Vemanad Lake. I'm driving the boat now. This experience of Munir bro is guiding me. According to his instructions, I'm just driving the boat. Bro, boat coming.
Relaxing here.
Sir, वो boat coming. How? हो जाएगा? Oh. So there is one boat coming. I'm like, boat coming. Right. Now let me just go up. These people already started partying. Whoa!
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know.
One more mobile for time lapse. Let me just show you the view here. Are crazy dude left wow. Are snap lo diyan ra filter petti crazy ostadi. Just see, I mean, I don't think you can see in the camera. Like, let me just go till near that particular boats. Are almost like I can see 100 plus boats there. Crazy view. Chalo, at first I thought of going, but Minno asked me that she will go, so next round I'll go. Chalo, all the best, bye! This is what we call as crazy. Just see, those many houseboats are here, and in the back there are a lot of houseboats still coming. This is one more second best day of the Kerala trip. First will be surely Vagamon. So this will be my second best place. Like weather is also like very cool and very attractive today actually. Clouds, everything. So this time lapse should do justice actually. Let's see how the time lapse is going to come. I hope it will come really well. This is our speedboat. Hey, good ride.
Hello.
So we are in speedboat. So usually we are in houseboat. So we can just hire some speedboat in the middle of the lake itself and go for a drive. Crazy view! Oh, this is crazy! From the gullies of Kerala! You can see all these boats are going in the same line. So all of these boats are going to second spot. Just now came into the houseboat from the speedboat. So it cost around, so for 10 minutes he did the drive. So it was really scary and crazy as well. And we got to see very good location actually through the speedboat, and it cost like 300 per person. One time 4 people can go in it. So yeah, experiencing new things here. It is really cool. So usually we have big roads right here. Everyone like see. So this is a traveling boat. People are doing something. And I have seen one school boat also directly. School friends are there, and on that it is written some so and so school name also. It is totally in yellow color again. So same something like school buses. So you can just see these houses here. So either side of the water houses are there. But nowhere there is no bridge actually. Like I don't know how these people go from here and there. I think only with boats. Yes, you can see this name. So its name is Kannita Boat Jetty. So from this jetty I think people will just travel here and there. Something like bus stand, bus stop. Now our houseboat will go and park somewhere, and it will hook to the shore, and we can just get down and go to the village and just go for a round and come. So here you can see how many houseboats are here. Our boat just got parked. They hooked it. So now the thing is, in order to turn on the AC, like they will connect this wire to that particular thing. Power supply will be there to this particular boat, and they can turn on the AC. So that's how they are going to turn on the AC. Book the houseboat. They also assure you that they will provide you the meals, snacks also. So now our chef is preparing the snacks. So I think onion pakora is our snacks now. Yeah, so preparation is going on. Onion pakora or normal style? Kerala style. Okay, onion pakora Kerala style. Hey, coconut oil or vegetable oil? Sunflower oil. Okay. So not the Kerala style items. So they are preparing the onion pakora in north style. So here they are cooking oil, and we have 2 chefs here. Relax in Kerala. The company name. So now our boat is also going to get the power. So he is setting up the wire. We got our snacks, pakoda or chai. Just had our snacks at the houseboat. Now we just hired one more small boat, and again Munir bro is with us. He is driving the small boat. So this cost will be somewhere around 800 to 1000, depends on the person how much they cost you. So we are 8 people, right? So now we are going to the sightseeing here. So he said few places here are really good. So we'll just go there and just explore a bit and just come back again. This drive will be for 1 hour. So these are Kerala backwaters. Are. Idi kada vada kavali amma. Either side of the water there are a lot of resorts. So like Kerala is like mainly for tourism. So their income is mainly from tourism. I mean, these are all of these is like backwaters. Crazy. Yo.
Habibi.
So this is how it is.
Hey, where's my phone, yeah?
సో ఇలా ఆగట్లే అసలు తగ్గట్లే అసలు ఎవరు మనం కట్టుకోం పర తెలుసు మనం పోయి ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి ఏంది అని చూద్దాం
Look up to the sky to the brighter days. In a rose there is a revolution.
मेनली मैंगो कोकोनट ए भैया कोकोनट कितना एक को कोकोनट 40 ऑनलाइन पेमेंट है तो 3 कोकोनट केरला कोकोनट सर केरला कोकोनट है ना हाँ स्वीट है अच्छा वाला दे दो 3 दे दो लेते हाँ इसमें ऐसा जुप आया
अरे फुल वाटर वाला
ओके सो या तेज इंडिया टेस्ट इट टेस्ट
take it food. കാര്യം ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞേക്കോ
കൊబ్బരിക്കായ കോക്കനട്ട്
അത് ആരും ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞേക്കോ കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് വാക്കത്തി പെടലിക്ക് വരൂ ഞാൻ
Here there is a bridge. This is pillar bridge. So the bridge there you are seeing it is like floating bridge.
It's a revolution. Soon there will no longer be pollution. Shining brighter than all the diamonds. There will be a different horizon.
Almost lighting mottam helping. There is no lighting now. Like we just wanted to walk on this bridge for some time, and then we'll go back to the houseboat and chill for some time. So in the same small boat we are going back. We will be going back to our houseboat now and we'll chill for some time, and there is a village nearby. We'll go for a walk in the village and then we'll have a dinner and do some time pass and then sleep. This is our houseboat and all these houseboats are of same company, Relax in Kerala company. You can book it from their Instagram or website if they have something. Like we booked in from Kerala boat stay, they hooked our boat here and power supply is from there. So now we are going for a village visiting. So I don't know this village name, but we are just going for a walk around. So all these are houseboats here. Each and every houseboat whoever takes in Alleppey just comes here and they will hook here. They will stop till tomorrow morning, and tomorrow morning they will start back in the village and just bought some eggs for omelette. Dinner time. అంతేగా మరి వ్లాగ్లో కాపరేట్ రైస్, చికెన్ కర్రీ అండ్ దాల్.
अच्छा జాయినింగ్ అయింది వీళ్ళది.
फुल्का
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
वन मोर करी आलू चलो
अच्छा अच्छा
let's have it. We have pickle. This pickle we bought in supermarket, sorry store. Good morning guys, this is the next day in the houseboat. Just now woke up and you can just see, I'll show you wait. Woke up and see where I am. Very good experience. So time exactly 7:15 now. exactly at 8 o'clock they will start the boats and take us to the starting point again in 1 hour. So we thought of just going around and come. So that's why we are going. Came out now. So this village is really nice actually. It's peace. Man, these people are really lucky. You can see the sunrise here and the reflection of the sun in the water. Bond Russell. You can just see few houseboats already started their journey back to the starting point. So these people just went for a walk. We are also going for a walk.
One we will all come to Zion, strong as a lion. We can be silenced, no. There's a busy answer to all of this, even in a hate.
Usually in our houses and in our homes, we usually have 2-wheelers or 4-wheelers with us, right? Here these people are having boats. Each and everyone is having one boat for sure. And even the mineral water supply is also from the boat itself. It's crazy. And we have some shops here. If you want to buy something, you can just buy. So you can just see the location, guys. So here water, there are houses and a small road in between to walk. Different feel Ramutta.
But it exists. Why can't we just look at the lock now? It's been too long, yeah. We gotta reunite, yeah. Put a man with a gun, yeah.
Guys, I am sitting here at this particular edge. So usually they tie their boats here. I just don't wanted to do some adventure and just wanted to feel the nature. Here it is very crazy. Okay, I already shown you, right? Few boats already started their journey back to the starting point. Now the time is 7:30. Maybe our boat will start our journey at 8 o'clock, I guess. So we have another half an hour to chill out. Let's enjoy Pandava.
For the man I will rush. The one you want the best, I better will be proud. Better be a higher ground, no discount. Yeah.
Our boat just started its journey back. It's exactly like 8:07 now. Then I don't think you can see here. So it's 8:07. So yeah, let's go this way. Now it will take a U-turn. Is it that way, right? No, this way. So yesterday we came from this route. So we are going again straight for 1 hour. Our journey back to the starting point where we checked into the boat. So morning we took pictures here. Till here we came and took pictures. So it's very crazy and very nice experience. So it's different from all other things. So what?
Tell her not to wake up now. Can't be sleeping on this way too long. Time for them to take up now.
It's breakfast time. So we have idli, chutney and sambar here. So along with idli, chutney and sambar, we asked Deepak Bhaiya to make some Maggi in North style. So I think he's already preparing it. So he's already made this. Thank you, Deepak Bhaiya. So we just reached the starting point. So it took us almost like 45 minutes and we reached the starting point. Now we need to pack our luggage and get out of this houseboat. It was really a nice experience, guys. Don't miss it if you come to Kerala. So if anyone want a book, you can just go here, Relax in Kerala. They have the website also, you can just book from there, and also there is an Instagram page for them, Relax in Kerala Houseboat. And now let's go that side. It's a crazy thing. See, just I just came out of the houseboat and our traveler and Nikhil bro is already ready there. We need to just fill the luggage there. So welcome to Relax in Kerala. So this is our houseboats thing. And here I don't know why, but a lot of lottery tickets. Lottery tickets, Amma?
It's a necessity. You don't see
This side city and yeah, this side pura village.
what we see. You know what in the beat. Tell me that wake up now.
Recreating this bit.
Make a stop, can't turn back now. We know.
We just stopped here, so here we will be getting Kerala type dhotis and saris, it seems. Kerala style saris. So to shop something, we are just going in. Here they are also making the saris actually. Saris and dhotis. Weaving. These people bought something like saris, dhoti, shirts. అవసరం లేదులే. So now we are going to Kochi. First thing is like Fort Kochi. This will be the ending of this vlog. I am closing this vlog here. Next vlog will be Kochi exploration. So now we will be traveling to Kochi. It will surely take us 2.5 hours to 3 hours. 1.5 hours. 2.5 hours. Sorry, 2 hours. Okay, it will take us 2 hours journey. Fort Kochi దూరం రా. So yeah, chalo then guys, see you in the next vlog exploring Kochi, mainly the Fort Kochi. It will be really nice and beautiful. Don't miss that.